let's first here take a look at replacing resources. So we can use the Terraform taint command. It is used to mark a resource for replacement the next time you run apply. And why would you want to mark a resource for replacement? Well, the idea is that, and here's the command here, but a cloud resource becomes damaged or degraded, and you just want to return the expected resource to a healthy state. So that's the idea behind it. And the unfortunate thing is that Terraform taint was deprecated in version 0.152. However, there is a better way of doing it now, and so it is recommended to use the -replace flag and providing it a resource address when you're doing a Terraform apply. So it's basically the exact same thing. The reason why they made this change was so that you actually have an opportunity to confirm your change beforehand, because Terraform taint would just run, and this one down below will actually prompt you to say, are you sure you want to do this, okay? But it's not complicated. You just do -replace, and then you use the resource address of the thing that you want to use that for. And this can be used for both plan and apply. The replace flag appears to only work for a single resource, so you can't use multiple resources. It's just one at a time, and that's something that you should remember, okay?